Okay, I don't know how to feel, guys. Maybe if I put it aside. Welcome to my channel. So this video we are going to be unboxing a synthetic wig that I got from AliExpress. I've never actually gotten any wig from AliExpress before. I've actually never ever bought any kind of wig from AliExpress because I've heard so many rumors about it. I decided to stay away, but I was just walking on the streets of AliExpress one day and I saw a wig. Not actually the one that I got, but I just saw a wig and it was a Black Friday. Okay, I said, okay, what the heck, let me see what I can get from Black Friday. So I checked through and I saw a Coily synthetic wig, brown. It looked just like human hair, so I was tempted and it was just going for 4,985 naira, so I decided to buy it and I'm literally crying inside because I don't know if it's going to be good or bad. Well, the package is here. Got it in the mail yesterday. I decided that I would just do the unraveling with you guys. So here we go. Let us do this. My sister was right. She said I didn't need the scissors for this and I fought her. So let's just do this. I think I got tattoo stickers, guys. Compliments of vendor. Okay, and I think this is probably it's for keeping your hair flat. You know, I never really got it why whenever you buy a wig and they send you this thing on my jiggy here, it's cut from both sides. I don't know, man. If you guys know why, please just tell me in the comment section, okay? So yes, this is the hair and kind of okay. It's from China, by the way. Wow, it's soft, you guys. It's not. It doesn't even smell. It doesn't feel synthetic. It doesn't even have that synthetic shine or sheen or whatever. It doesn't look bad, guys. Let's try them. Okay, let's do this. Okay, don't know how to feel, guys. Maybe if I put it as it's actually really soft. That's why I like it. It feels like I have it doesn't feel like I have synthetic hair on. It just feels really soft. But what's going on here? Ooh, it's bouncy. Okay, let me show you the back, guys. This is the back, and it's bouncy. Well, I don't know what to do with the front and the closure thingy that it has there. I don't know what to do about it, but don't worry, I'm going to do something about it actually, but not in this video. I'm going to figure out a way to wear this because I really like it. Okay, I will slay in this. You guys will see more of my videos in this week. And for my ladies on the budget, I guarantee that this will fit your pockets, but I would actually try to do something about what's going on here, and I will show you in another video how I slayed a synthetic wig. It made it look nice and natural and all that. Okay, but I have to take this off because I have to continue the rest of the video. So let's get back to how I looked before. Okay, so I went back and looked at the clip of me wearing the wig, and it looked kind of shiny. I don't know, it looked shiny, but it doesn't really look shiny in person or in real life. Or I think it's because of my ring light. I think my ring light is making it look shiny, but I think I can work with it. I would twerk it here and there, especially the front. The front is really terrible. Okay, I don't know when these people make these wigs. I don't know why they do that. I don't know if it was plastic. I think it was plastic, but maybe I'll probably get a closure for it and use it up, or maybe I'll just figure out something else. Figure out something else to do, and probably make it work. Because I just like the texture, okay? I'm letting go of that wig. So for my girls on the budget, let's say it's not so bad if you can twerk it, because like I said earlier, I will show you when I twerk it, I will make a video and show you what I did and all that. And if you're interested in the wig, I would put all the information about it in the description box so that maybe you can try it out yourself. There are actually other wigs on AliExpress, but I wasn't trying to go for straight. Of course there are other wigs on AliExpress, what am I saying? But I wasn't trying to go for the straight wigs. I've never actually owned a coily wig before, and so I just wanted to try it out. And I didn't want to go get a synthetic straight wig because I think that would have looked even more synthetic. So I went for the coily wig because coily hairs can always be twerked to look good. Okay, could freeze it up, whereas if it was getting old, it could just, all it would do is just freeze up. But if it was a straight wig, it will look really ratchet when it starts getting old. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but yeah, that's about it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any comments or if you have any thoughts on my video, or if you have anything on your mind, please leave it down in the comment section below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Okay girl, come on. This channel, I'm gonna be giving you budget slays. You'll be slaying on the budget. Okay, all right, thank you for watching, guys. Mwah. Until next time, bye.
So I decided to insert a clip of a video of me amending my wig, because I remember I told you that I was gonna put it in another video, but I decided to put it in this video because it was just a very simple procedure. I just cut some bangs, or I just cut out some bangs. Okay, that was what I did, and instead of making it a long video, I just made a short video and inserted into this one, so you would see how it looks after. Please let me know what you think. Thank you very much, guys.